Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Crunchyroll on Apple TV, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Crunchyroll on your Apple TV, begin by turning on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store on your home screen. In the App Store, use the search function to find the Crunchyroll app. Select the Crunchyroll app from the search results. Click on the Get button to download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Crunchyroll app. You will see the option to log in or start a free trial. Choose the login option. Your screen will display a code for activation. Take note of this code as you will need it shortly. Now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and open a web browser. Visit the Crunchyroll activation page at www.crunchyroll.com/activate. Enter the code you noted from your Apple TV. Click that Activate button. You may need to log into your Crunchyroll account if you are not already logged in. Once the code is accepted, return to your Apple TV. The Crunchyroll app will refresh, and you will be logged in automatically. You can now enjoy streaming your favorite anime and shows on Crunchyroll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.